We will practice Slovak consonant Z and Ž. Z, Ž. So, Z, Z. Winter or cold is in Slovak zima, zima. To cut, rezať, rezať. To close, zatvoriť, zatvoriť. Let's read the words again. Zima, zima. Rezať, rezať. Zatvoriť, zatvoriť. Quite similar consonant is Ž, Ž. A woman is žena, žena. A frog is žaba, žaba. Rice is ryža, ryža. I'll read the words again. Winter, cold. Zima, zima. Cut, rezať, rezať. Close, zatvoriť, zatvoriť. A woman, žena, žena. A frog, žaba, žaba. Rice, ryža, ryža. And some Slovak vocabulary. This exercise is meant to be a kind of pronunciation exercise. So let's practice reading. Karol, Karol. Robert, Robert. Well, ton is in Slovak tona, tona. Tons is in Slovak tony, tony. So tona, tona is singular, and tony, it is plural of the noun. Very similar word is tone, tone from music. So this word in singular is in Slovak tone, tone. O is a long vowel. And plural, so tones, is in Slovak tóny, tóny. Let's read these words again. Tona, tona. Tony, tony. Tone, tone. Tony, Tony. Well, Canadian city Toronto is read in Slovak Toronto, Toronto. And a short sentence, it is ready or it's finished, will be in Slovak je to hotové, je to hotové. And negative, so it's not ready or it's not finished yet, nie je to hotové, nie je to hotové. Let's repeat the words again. Karol, Robert, Tona, Tony, Tón, Tóny, Toronto. Je to hotové. Je to hotové. Nie je to hotové. Nie je to hotové. Nie je to hotové.